Alright, so I'm pretty bored right now, so I might as well just be making a bike check. We're going to start at the front and end in the back. First off, we got Chrome Premium Whiskey Bars, 8.25 rise. Great bars. And then on the bars, we got black ODI long necks. Cut the flanges off, Then, we got silver bar ends, Animal. They're just bar ends. And we got Shadow Strike Stem, front load, 58mm reach. Shadow headset. Colony Guardian forks, raw. Had them for a while. They're good forks. Then polished E-clad hub. It's a great hub. The only bad part about it, they don't make a hub guard for it, so your hub gets messed up. It's laced to a Animation Deviant rim. And then there's Shadow Little Ones pegs. Now out of the frame, it's a Fit Eddy V3, customly powder coated, translucent purple, with a profile bottom bracket, and with Colony Colonial cranks, and with dual black plastic pedals, gray pedals. Another Shadow Little Ones peg with a Shadow hub guard. Just a hub guard, but it's nice. And then my wheel is temporary for now because my other one's getting laced. And it's a Chrome Odyssey Hazard light laced to a white hub. And then over here we got a profile sprocket, 25 tooth, with another Colony and Duo. Got a profile seat and a Colony seat post. And then for the tires, we got an Animal GLH 2.10. And in the front, we have a Fit Faf 2.25 treaded, dirt stat. Alright, well, I hope you enjoyed my bike check.